I did a transplant from this new herbal clinic on around 16 June. This is almost around the 7 months, and you can see this the result. So with the surgery, I'm very happy with the procedure what they have done. Surgery is very smooth. They are supportive. Everything went fine. After that, you have to take some medicines. I followed that. So almost 6 months I am following whatever the routine they have done, and you can see the result is almost you cannot recognize that this is a hair transplant. You can see it's a natural only. Okay, and so I'm very satisfied with the whatever they have done to me, and I'm feeling the confident with this hair transplants. So with regards to this clinic, I would say doctor is very much supportive. They will do the whatever the blood test, and they will guide you whatever you have to follow. If there is some complications, so they will suggest some other medicines. So you don't worry about the I have this problem or that. You don't have to worry. The doctors will take care. Regarding the whatever the supportive staff which is here, so they will also help you whatever you have the doubts or something, whatever you can ask them, and they will guide you through everything. So means you can surely go through the hair transplant here without any issue. And if you have any doubt, just come here, consult doctor. Whatever doubts you have, just ask them, and if you are satisfied, then go through it. Yeah, no issue with this. Yeah, thank you.